Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 13th video of learning Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level. And in this part, we will be proceeding the learning of the different tools available in the page layout tab with the help of example for the better understanding. In the previous videos, we have discussed the tools that are available in the insert tab and their functions and in the home tabs. So now we will be discussing the tools that are available in the page layout tab. This is the main menu bar, and we will be discussing in this video these tools and their functions in detail. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also, if you want to learn the softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can visit this channel. So let's start the different tools and their functions that are available in the page layout tab. So the first one is the theme. So these are tools are associated with the themes. Let's suppose if we click on these themes, so these are different pre-available themes. As you can see, when I jump from one theme to another, you can see here the effects on this table. You can see. So these are the different themes. You can change or select, assign anyone to your required data as per your requirements and interest. So the next one is the two colors. When you select a specific theme, so then you can change the color. You can see the color here is changing when I jump from one color styles to another, as you can see. The next one is the font size. From here you can change the font style. So these are the different fonts. So as you can see, when I jump from one font style to another, so you can see the font style in the table changing from one style to another. You can see. The next tool is the effects. Through this these are the different effects. You can change the effects of your built-in data available in the Excel sheet. So these are the different options. So these are the different effects. So now we will be proceeding to the next tool, which are the page setup. So these these all 7 tools are associated with the page setup in the Excel sheet. The first one is the margin. Through this you can change the margins of your page in Excel sheet. Means the Excel sheet page setup. You can change the margins. This is the normal. In the normals, and you can widen or narrow, or you can provide the custom page setup margins. So these are the on top side, on left, on right, on bottoms. So these are the different. This is the header, this is the footer. So horizontally and vertically, so you can change. So depending on the requirements, change the margins of your page. So the next one is the orientation. Through this you can change the orientation of your page. This is the portrait and this is the landscape. You can select anyone depending on your requirements and your interest. Either you can provide the portrait orientation to your page or landscape. So the next one is the size. Through here you can change the size of your page. This is the A4 size, this is the A3, this is the executive statement, legal, tabloid, a letter. These are the different. This is the A5, this is the B4 GIS. These are the different pages sizes, and you can select anyone depending on your requirements. And the next one is the print area. This is the through this you can control the print area of your Excel sheet, and from here you can also then clear the print area you selected. The next tool is the page breaks. This tool you can use to break your page at any locations you want. So this is the tools related to the page breaks. The next one is the background. So this, when you click on the background, you can change from this background option. You can change the background of your Excel sheet. Let's suppose I want to change the background by selecting some figure from here. Let's suppose I take this, and to insert you can see now in the background this picture is now visible. So you can provide any background to your Excel sheet by using this background option. Now if we want to delete the background, so the background has been deleted, means the picture which I have pasted as a background now has been deleted. So through this option too you can change the background of your Excel sheet. The next one is the print titles. Through this you can provide the print titles to your Excel sheets that should be printed. So these tools are associated with the page setup of your Excel sheet. Through this you can set up your page as per your custom requirements. The next tools category of tools is the scale to pet. So these are the different scales to pet tools you can use in order to customize your Excel sheet. So this is the width, how much width is you are providing for the page. These are different pages, and you can add or delete more pages. So if you want to see the pages, so that I want to, now these are the different pages. This is the one page, this is the boundary for the another page, this is the another page, this is the another page, this is the another page. You can see if you want to. So these are the different pages. This is page 1, this is page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6. So these are the a lot of pages in a single Excel sheet. This is the automatic. So these are the also this is the width, this is the height. From here you can control the height scales, and this is the scales. Now it is 100%. You can increase or decrease the scale from here. So these three tools are associated with the scale to pet with the Excel sheets. The next category of the tool is the sheet options. So these are the sheet options. This is from, these are different sheet options. The first one is on the in subdivided the sheet options to grid lines, and the another category is the headings. In the grid lines, now you can see this grids is checked. Now if we want to uncheck, so these grids will be not visible, will be hidden. If we uncheck, you can see now it is unchecked, and you can see the grids has now been hidden, and you cannot see those grids. And now if you want to see, to make it visible again, so you can apply the check. So now you can see the grids is now visible. From here you can apply the grids to be printed or not on the page. So now it is not printing on the page. If you want to, let's suppose if you want to print this table, so these grids will not be printed on the page. If you want to print on the page, so you can apply the check. So now this will be printed, these grids on the page you want to print something. The next category of the next tools is the headings. From here you can see the view of the headings is now visible, means it is checked in. So if this is the headings on the on the columns, and these are the headings on the rows, so if you want to hide, so you can uncheck. Now you can see the headings has been removed and no more visible. So if you want to make it visible, so you can apply the check, and you can check the view. So now you can see the headings has been now visible, and you can easily see. And also, if you want to print these headings on the page, you want to print something on the Excel sheets, so you can check in. Now it is checked in, and it means that if you want to print your Excel sheet, so these headings will also be printed on the page. And if you want to not print these headings on the page, so you can uncheck. And now this is unchecked, and these headings will not be printed on the page you want to print the Excel sheet pages. So the next category of the tool is the arrange of your data in the Excel sheets. So the first one is the bring forward, bring backward, selection pane, align. This is the group, this is the rotate. So if you have any data and you want to apply these arrangement tools, you can apply to your data. So now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment sections about all these tools available in the page layout. You can ask. So thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we will be discussing the different tools available in this formula tabs and their function in detail with the help of example. So keep watching the video till the end in order to completely understand what is explained in the video, and then you will be able to completely learn the Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in next video.